So I got this little gingerbread cookie cutters last year, and it came with a recipe and we tried it, so I'm gonna do it for the boys. So tomorrow we're gonna be decorating gingerbread houses with our family. And here's the dough, nice and rolled out, and I'm gonna be stamping out the gingerbread mini houses. And here they are, all stamped out. And now I'm just gonna take this and remove them and put them on my baking sheet and bake them in the oven for about 10 minutes. And just like that, I have all my little gingerbread houses walls, and I also cut out some mini gingerbread men to go with the houses and ready for assembly. So I'm melting down some sugar, and this is going to be the glue to hold all the walls. Instead of royal icing, that's what I do. It's more sturdier. Now here's what the little house looks like. And this is the sugar, so it's gonna keep hardening and then it won't come apart. I learned this from Martha Stewart. And it doesn't really matter that it's showing because you're gonna decorate it, so you won't see that in the end. One house down, a bunch more to go. And my big house for this year. Got a surprise decoration for that one. Construction complete. Ready for the designers that are gonna be designing their little gingerbread houses.
Are you making your cookies? This is my daddy.
Eso es una casa. Esa es la casa de mi abuela.
Logan, what do you think?
Esa es la casa de la abuela mía.